Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon when I post my new video. You will get the notification first. And wish your room decor, like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Let's start the video. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the wall, the silver color, beautiful wall decoration. You can see very beautiful, the lights and all very beautiful decoration. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the wall looking very beautiful, looking very good also, and the curtains and all very beautiful. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, backside lights. You can see beautiful wall decoration. You can see very beautiful. This also the green color room house. You can see the chair, the table and all very beautiful decoration, very good also, looking very good. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. You can see the stairs and all very beautiful stairs. You can see the modern room decoration, very beautiful decoration. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the roof. You can see very beautiful decoration of a roof and all very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good. This one also the black color bed and all, the black color and the blue color, very beautiful decoration, looking very good. And it's also very beautiful. You can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall. You can see beautiful the lights and all, very good decoration and all. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the beautiful decoration of wall. It's also the keep your clothes and all here, very the modern decoration. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the roof, the floor and all, good design. This is also the black color modern room decoration. You can see looking very beautiful decoration, very good also. And this also you can see the wall, the floor, beautiful floor and all, and the roof, beautiful decoration, looking very good. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. You can see the wall decoration, the roof, the floor and all, very beautiful. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the decoration, the wall decoration and all. It's also the modern bathroom. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, so please don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.